So over time, as you're working, you may actually create some presets like I have done right here. If you want to go ahead and export it out so that you can share it out with others or import it on a different system, then all you need to do is right click right here, and here you can see an option to export out presets. If I were to click on export preset, you can see that I have it in EPR format. So I can go to desktop, let's say for example, and save it out right there. So then over here, you can see that this is the preset file right here. I can go around over here as well. Let's say for example, in YouTube, I can go ahead and right click, and then I can go ahead and export out the preset right here, and then export it out right here. So now you can go ahead and send it out to others who want to use the preset, or you can import it out into different system as well, so that you got the same preset right here that you have created in this particular application. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.